In Miss Medford's class, Raylan Anderson and Liam Wright. In Miss Esri's class, Riley Anderson. In Miss Burney's class, Mabel Blankenship and Bella Reed. In Miss Neer's class, Sophie Goldberg. Fourth grade Miss Sket's class, Dylan Bertoglio. In Mr. Bechtel's class, Carson Becker and Adeline Dearda. In Miss Gray's class, Olivia Beal. In Miss Margaria's class, Bailey Ray and Gracie Isringhausen. In Mr. Heitz's class, Melody Jensen and Brianna Folger. In Miss Lamer's class, Hunter Abbott and Rayleigh Malloy. You make me so mad.
Perseverance. Keep going even when you don't have a lot of hope.
Perseverance. I may not be there yet, but I'm closer than I was yesterday.
Never stop trying until you arrive at your destined place. That is the unique you.
Perseverance means to try and try again.
I'm working on my pacer test and my goal is 25. Well, I only got 19. I'm gonna have to keep trying. Well, I got 20 this time, but I gotta keep trying. I finally got 25. I'm so glad I persevered through it.
What do you think perseverance?
Perseverance? To me, perseverance means never quitting. Perseverance means when you have a job to do, or if you're on a special team or a club, then you give it your all. You never quit, and you continue to work until the job is done.
I really want to get in the 200s in my map testing. The first time I took it, I got 184, then I got 182. So I practiced with my teacher. Let's see if my perseverance pays off. Yay! I got 196 on my map test. That was only 4 away from my goal. My perseverance definitely paid off.
What do you think perseverance means to you?
Perseverance means to me that you keep trying and you never ever give up, even if something is difficult.
We kept trying and trying to score a basket, but we never could. So we had to keep trying. Basketball is a hard sport to play, but we really wanted to win. Finally, we made a basket. We had perseverance.
Victory! Perseverance paid off and we won the game.
What do you think perseverance means?
I think that perseverance means pushing through when things get tough and not giving up, even when you want to.
The character word for March is perseverance. Will you show perseverance this month? We hope so.